Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Theta Network. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Theta Network, but before starting this video please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Theta Network holders, that is the special message, so listen my friends. First of all, let's see the latest update, and after that I discuss what is the special message. $6.07 is the current price of the Theta Network in the market. 6.07. And my friends, the latest changes of the Theta Network is negative, but if we look the previous changes, so now the last 1 day and last 1 week change is positive. So from this I think that Theta Network is good for investment due to these changes, my friends, because the previous changes is positive. Just my friends, the 2 hours changes is negative. Let me show the price chart. Now my friends, you can see here absolutely Theta Network take a jump, but after it jump the price fast down, and you can see the average changes is still positive 0.41%. the price increasing. That is the last 2 hours update. The last 2 hour update is going positive. So yes, Theta Network is good for investment, my friends. I request everybody. And now the special message is also that please buy now more and more Theta Network, because Theta Network will give you profit, not loss in the future. So please buy now more and more. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Theta Network? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.